Assalamu alaikum everybody. Welcome to Deep Exploration Code. My first Blender 3D trick is to show you how to transform an object using Mirror Modifier into mesh. After opening Blender, we will switch from Object mode to Edit mode. Next, we will use a loop cut by pressing Ctrl plus R when the mouse cursor is placed on the cube, and after we click with the left mouse button twice to confirm. Then we will select the 4 vertices, delete them by clicking on the delete button, and finally we will click on vertices. Thereafter, we will click on Modify Properties, then on Add Modify, and finally on Mirror. We notice that nothing changes because it has applied the object mirror on the x-axis instead of the y-axis. To solve this problem, simply click on the y-axis as follows. Now we will select the whole object by clicking on the button A. Then we will click on the G button and then on the Y button, and after, without releasing, move the half of the cube to the right and click once with the left mouse button. Now we will select the vertices by clicking the first vertex with the left mouse button and then selecting the other vertices by clicking on Shift plus the left mouse button. Afterwards, we will click on the E button and then on the Y button and move the mouse to the left as it is shown. Next, we check the clipping to be able to connect the two ends correctly. Finally, we click on the G button, then on the Y button, and we move the vertices until they are connected. And to finish, we click on the left mouse button. After that, we click on Face Selection mode and we select one face. Now we click on the E button and then on the Z button and we move the mouse up. Next, we click on A button to select all. Then we click with the right mouse button, then we go to Separate, and finally we click on Selection. We will now switch from Edit mode to Object mode. Then we click with the right mouse button, then we go to Convert to, and finally we click on Mesh. We will now switch from Object mode to Edit mode. We see that the whole object has meshes. If now we select a face and we extrude it by clicking on E, then on Z, then we move the mouse up, we observe that only the select face will be extruded. This is how we convert an object after using Mirror Modifier to an object with mesh. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you next time.